What's next?
Let's see. Well, बैठो.
Rajpal Bhaiya is not interested in picking us.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of our Nainital trip. Our breakfast at Seasons Hotel was complimentary and it was really nice. There was variety and there was satisfaction. By the way, breakfast is Sanchit's favorite meal. Since day 1 was mostly washed away, we had to make the most of day 2. We got ready and headed out without wasting time. We had our plan for a hectic day. Let's see how it goes.
मैनुअल कर दिया. दूसरे गेट पे चढ़ा रहा हूँ. मैनुअल कर दिया. हाँ. और मुझे भी समझा दी कि ऐसे करके सही रहेगी फिर मैनुअल करनी है. अभी दूसरे गेट पे चढ़ रही है. फर्स्ट करना है तो फर्स्ट हो जाएगा. हाँ, फर्स्ट भी हो जाएगा.
Then we headed straight to the governor's house with Sanchit in driver's seat, still testing the all-new Kia Seltos. It was even Sanchit's first time there. Since there was time before the gates opened for our group, we visited the St. Francis Home Catholic Church next to St. Joseph's College, one of India's finest boarding schools. It was a little too peaceful.
Be careful, your shoes must be slippery.
This is the entrance of the church.
Now it starts.
So we are at Governor's house, Raj Bhavan in Nainital.
Remember this? Koi Mil Gaya? The police station? Well, quite a bit of the Hrithik Roshan movie was shot here at the governor's house.
This is a sudden change in our weather.
Hello. हाँ जल्दी आओ वो फटाफट. ये देखिए सर, ये है गवर्नर हाउस. 120 साल पुराना बिल्डिंग है. साइड व्यू इसकी. फ्रंट देखेंगे आप. और ये किचन इसका जो किचन है ना सामने. ये टू मतलब आफ्टर वर्किंग की लंच होता है.
Our guide had so much information to share, and it was actually kind of fun.
एरिया और जो इसकी आर्केड है सेम आर्केड
5 बजे 4 बजे लास्ट एंट्री है।
We were not allowed to take the videos and photos inside, but yeah, it's a nice place to visit.
So, visitors are not allowed to take pictures inside the house, and about half of it is not accessible to visitors. Rules. But it is worth the visit. We spent some time exploring the outdoors and getting some dumb pictures as well.
Now we are at Cave Garden. I don't know anything about this place, so let's find out.
This was not Sanchad's first time at the Eco Cave Garden. Let's explore it together.
चलना है? हाँ?
अजीब है ट्रैकिंग करने का शौक है ट्रैकिंग खुले जगह में सबमिशन होने
Look back.
You are pro at it. You have done all this in New Zealand.
We did go through a cave or two. While we expected it to be more exciting, it was kind of mediocre. Then we got here and look at this view, followed by my favorite part, a few good pictures. If you are somewhere in the mountains, never ever miss an opportunity to eat Maggie. What is it about Maggie there that it tastes so different and so flavorful? I guess I don't care as long as I get to eat it.
नज़दीक मैगी बना। We're going to explore Cafe Chica.
Why we are going to this particular cafe?
Red that got a very unique flavor.
Let's see.
देखते हैं क्या होता है वहाँ पे।
Cafe Chica was Sanchit's idea, and we had no clue what it would be like. And what a surprise! It's a find. Well done, husband. Welcome to Cafe Chica, my friends. Cafe Chica is a garden cafe, more sort of boutique restaurant. It was being run from a private residence and the food was being prepared on order.
Oh, we can sit anywhere. Yeah.
House-based cafe.
Garden cafe. सिटिंग कहाँ होती है अंदर से इंडोर सिटिंग होती है
नहीं ऐसी है।
अच्छा शायद आई थिंक वही है ना प्राइवेट है वो पूरा
इसके अंदर जा सकते हैं।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं आ जाओ कम
Nestled in the lap of the Comal Mountains, with a cover of clouds and pure green carpet beneath us, we were not there for lunch. We were there for a celebration. Celebration of nature, of love, and of togetherness. It was like never before, and yet it felt like our own.
How was the food, Sanchit?
Food was very delicious. The place was actually quite nice. Very quaint sort of. And I think if someone is trying to explore Nainital, Cafe Chica is definitely a place that one can go for a breakfast or a lunch or like an evening thing. They have a menu, but not everything is ready since this is not like a season time. So yeah.
So, they have a staying option too, right?
Yeah, they have a staying option, but the prices that they told me, I think it's kind of expensive. It's more like a homestay, like a premium homestay, I think. So.
Boating is by far Nainital's most popular tourist activity, and over the huge Naini Lake, it is a delight under a good weather. It is a good half an hour long ride.
ropeway. This way, this side.
We were very excited about the Nainital ropeway, especially because it had snowed a day before, and our expectations to capture the mountain top views were completely shattered as we got late. 4 p.m. is way too early. How many cabs you won in your life? Yesterday you bought this. Now you are buying this.
I'm seeing if there's something.
No, you're not
nice
seeing.
we can take.
Topi obsessed. We needed something to cheer us up. Nothing beats a coffee and a piece of cake. Welcome to the Sackley's. And as if that wasn't enough, I had to go shopping to the Tibetan market. होटल में खो गया ये।
बारी है।
हाँ।
श्रद्धा टिबेटन मार्केट शॉपिंग।
हाँ, ये इसमें मेरा नहीं है, आपका भी है।
मेरा कुछ नहीं,
बहुत कुछ है।
तुमने
आपका।
लिया है 10 12 15 चीजें।
Now let's have dinner at Machan restaurant.
Machan was crowded and we too were put on the waiting list. The wait was about 20 minutes, but the dinner was so fulfilling. Finally, it was time to leave and end our trip. There was just one little thing to be done. Sanchit had to buy an umbrella for our mom.
Sanchit is driving for the first time.
No, it's not my first time. I have driven to Mussoorie also.
कैसा लग रहा है?
I've driven to Manali. I've driven to Shimla. It's not my first time. बहुत अच्छा लगा
Don't have
है।
that much of experience.
No, it's not. I'm telling you, I've driven to Mussoorie. I've driven to Manali. In Swift, that also. So
So he's like pro.
I'm not a pro, but yeah, I enjoy driving on the hills. It's fun. It tests your skills, so it's nice. And did I not drive in New Zealand? Don't you remember? How about those hilly areas? न्यूजीलैंड में 600 किलोमीटर 6-6.5 घंटे में हो गया था.
Bye Nainital. I'm saying bye bye New Zealand.
The temperature had risen, the weather was warmer, and it was time to leave. We hope you enjoyed the video on our Nainital trip. See you in our next one.